So in this video, you'll learn how to eject the virtual game cards from your Nintendo Switch 2. So now this process won't delete any of your game data that you've done, so any progress that you've done through the games won't be deleted. It's just the game cards will be removed from your Switch. So if you want to go ahead and do that, then all you're going to do is just navigate to the virtual game cards section. And then from here, you're going to select your user. Under your user, you're then going to go to the option labeled load multiple. It's on the sidebar right here, the first option, and you're going to select it. From here, you can see all the virtual game cards that you currently have on your Nintendo Switch 2, even the ones that are not currently installed on your console. So the next step in order for you to eject all is to simply press on X on your console. Once you've done that, you're going to confirm your choice and then simply wait for them to be ejected. Once they've been ejected, select OK. And now you can see all of these game cards have a download icon, which means that if you want to go ahead and restore any of your game data, you'll have to insert the virtual game card into your Switch again. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.